How to improve on reading and spelling. Number 1, practice set 1 sounds. Now, we have completed all of the sounds in set 1. Number 2, blend the sounds to read the words. Now, be sure that your child has mastered the skill of putting the sounds together to read the words. Number 3, listen for the sounds in the words to spell. Now, as you play the videos that we have listed so far on YouTube, be sure that your child is able to listen for the first and last sounds of each word. Now, this is going to help them to spell words later on. These are the sounds that we have been learning so far. All of these sounds, we have videos for it on YouTube where you learn how to put the sounds together to read and take the sounds out to spell. And if you notice, there are 5 vowel sounds that's highlighted in yellow. These are your short vowel sounds, which is very, very important. Be sure to practice reading and spelling words with the short vowel sounds before moving on to set 2. And your short vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, a. This is extremely important so that when they move on to set 2, which is your long vowel sounds, they will be able to understand the difference. Why is it so important? Now, set 2 contains the long vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Now, notice that these are your digraphs, which can be made up of vowels or consonants. In this case, they are made up of both vowels. How do we practice our short vowel sounds? You can do simple exercises such as just take words and remove the short vowel sounds and ask your child to fill in the missing sound. Make sure that you put the 5 vowel sounds out there for them so that it will be easier for them to choose the sound. Here's a list of words that you can use from set 1. You can always pause this video and write the words down. There are more words that you can find on our website. How can your child progress fast? You can visit our website at www.beyondworksheets.com. On our website, we've got a variety of worksheets that you can use. Make sure you complete the worksheets, play the videos, and your child will be able to start reading and writing in no time at all.